Hi guys, welcome to bestofteacher.com. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to resolve WordPress admin not opening in this website. If I'm going to refresh this website, you can see it's working fine. But if I'm going to open the admin, you can see the admin is not opening. Same website, but admin is not opening. So how to solve this type of problem? To solve this type of problem, you need to access your cPanel or root file access. In this website, I have cPanel access. First, I am going to open the cPanel. Okay, successfully logged in. Now go to the file manager, and after that go to the public underscore HTML folder, and after that click on error log, error underscore log, and just view it. And now just go to the last line of this file. So this is the last line of this file. Now we can see the problem is this is the website public underscore HTML wp content plugins, and then rib slider one plugin is there. The problem is here. Now just go to the again cPanel file manager, and now just go to the wp content. Now go to the plugins and just find out the same plugin. This is the same plugin. Just click on rename and just rename it. Okay, after that just refresh your admin once again. Now you can see it's opening fine. Now if I'm going to open the website, you can see the banner is not opening now. You can see the shortcode now. To resolve this problem, you need to update this rib slider plugin, or you can use another any plugin for this banner. This is the solution. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and share and like this video. Again, I'll come with a new video. Till then, have a nice day.